It was all as sudden as could be. Something told me I do very well for you, and you do very, very well for me. The moment I saw you, I said to myself, you're too nice a baby to leave on the shelf. Your neatness, your sweetness, your two eyes of blue bewitch me completely. Oh, I fell for you the moment I saw you. The fur coat you wore, the diamonds, your perfume, oh, I knew more and more that you were the girl I was meant to adore. I knew it the moment I saw you.